Kublai phi baro kini kilong ki khubor bam te kasngi. Nagalyang Jongka Branch MSME Development and Facilitation Office Shillong ha gajinga trailang Jongka DCIC Southwest Kasil District menta kasngi Jongka arpo artrik rimpang ar hajar arpsau. Kilawan ban pynshai paidbah halor Jongka skim PM Vishwakrma kabade ka skim Jongka sarkar preng ban ai jingkershan ki batrei ki kam tinrai bat ki bashnai ki tiar ki batrei dala ki kti. La kalong hanong kendong ni hasor berkani ke skim kadai kesin beningkong bala pentri kam hapo kari India. Ya gani ke skim la ai jing pynshai paidbah ha conference hall jong UBDO Mawkyrwat blang. Kumba khat pratali kimat la kentup ha gani ke skim kum ki nong than kho shang mystery ding mystery cement nong su jan kum ta ter ki batrei tang da ki. La ong bah gani ke skim ki dan shibun ki jing mentoy na ka benta ki badan sam na lor ba ki sap ka ba ki don kin don ru ki jing ai jing hikai ban kham pentbet shu shu ya ka sap ka ba ki don. Ka don ru ka jing yarap ban penthit ikitiar ban trei ka don ru ka jing ai ram ka ba om don kam ban bu benda bat ka sun ru kalong ka berin. Lengba jong kan ka skim kan dan ru ka yo ban penyat yaki mar balashna ban kentu ya ka yadi yathin.
Ani pak bagi skim repair dengan training repair ya kelu gijing ma phigum kimi pa kai pai wanong kelu turse ka tu jing ma blei mentak pa thai kala de ka pa but mangi ublei la ai ka ya ka gijing nang jik start ani pa mangi nang ki repair la anne nang sap repair ngai sini ngam pa ju I kenu manu ba basna mombati na ka raunga the time to mombati is going to be plus like break to kang pagi wanyalam no industry se no makla kung kita kisap mangin kisap ban khan kisap ban manchina jisna ka sap ban filmbek retaining walls ani kebro or kompromet yakimau sini kan thani itu nak ba hari itu kan sap ka ka ba abi tai de belum padar training tidala training ka lo gimnasio bangin dubla banyak semak di lokal banyak dan banyak di Facebook di cek like kujai but laga nila ban kunoban ndai ka hani kan kut kini sap dari nangi pat kan posya syaki kut kini but kani kan continue saya we dia habai dia baka pynshai ti ra chu yo mada nagalian mention about
market linkages begini yo nak la dipsna budon kam di yo kani budon kam yang badle nu zet kam yo dan yo dan jumlah pintre itu nu kap ini be dan yo dipsna atasna budon botiet dan jumlah mana kalau kani hang di level tu kini lo kita ayat ya kan kumu banten dia menyerap dia kaba kabu bayo kaba dah training dan serta keluar kumu ni keluar ni sekarang ni sebatai ba maliyang sibet bagi ba maliyang di manager kami di DCIC iba dulu iba nurul officer jom kanita skim
bagi sakoi tu iba milestone
scheduled work. I also welcome Shri
ban khot ju nirashama ban facilitate
nong sini kam tam nomor bagi tip ba bun ibreu harne kasnong thanjungi ni wat kam ndre ka kam kadon ba kumno ban pentre kam kuno ban sang ne ta kam jom kam kai ni ba ni sam jinja teling ba ni skim Vishwakrma yom nai kam ibaret komit la patai mene gre khaplat li ki kam ki bila ne te nai kam baret jom ki bila nyo ya kene ka jingarak ni ba ni skim kumala patai mene hakene ka skim idan likely ki benta bani kong ki iaka ka training ki hikai kumno ban pendibat shu ya ka to ka kam ne interest ka kidan ka ba ki iaka ka credit ka jing derap bisa kumno ban seng ni kam jom ki bat ka lai ki derap yo ki ban di ki ki ma pyar jo ki bishna da ti ini likely benta ki la bentuk ka skim Vishwakrma ya shibenta kalong ba nashwa ban stress na kita khatali kadang kawai ka kam bigi on mesan mo ana ka mesan bashna yang ki ye ki control ini tai mo te kalong isyam ba ko kini skim usa pentri kami kini yung skim skim gran skim mo skim pynshai isyam ba idan kisnong ne ga mo chingi pangdan is kari machnai dam balai bas lang bi ga undan mystery machnai te matrai shim ya kani kala ba ali sasnang jong pi ar laiyut kindam dan chemistry banan achna ya kani ikam chna yin chna surok chna ini construction nang ba gadan ko ini skim ne bang yo na karkar undan jaya nang jong pi pandan industry nang ba ka kam kaya pe ma
Everyone is understanding English, or should I speak in Hindi? Because I can speak either English or Hindi. So English is okay for you? Okay. So this scheme was launched on 17th September 2023 through Pan India, and this is the scheme, one scheme which is basically for artisans and craft people. Till now, you will see there are a lot of schemes which are run by the government of India, but there is no scheme for the real needy people, like artisans who have skills in their hands and who can transform India through their hard work. So this is the first scheme in which all the artisans and craft people are taken into consideration. In this scheme, there are 18 trades. 18 trades which includes cobbler, mason, carpenter, garland maker, like the people from the grassroots level that has been considered in this scheme. This scheme will provide a recognition to the artisans. A PM Vishwakrma certificate, ID card will be provided if you successfully register on this portal. And till now we are not having any recognition from the government. We are doing something for the economy of the country, but till now we were not recognized by the government. But through this scheme, every artisan will be recognized as PM Vishwakrma. When you go to the bank, since you do not have any recognition, bankers will also not consider, they will not provide loan to you. They will provide loan to the people who are already having money. But where is the real requirement? The real requirement is to the artisan craft people. They should get money to expand their business. They should be given skill development training to enhance their skills. So this scheme will going to provide you that opportunity so that you can enhance your skills, you can get loan from the bank, you can get support for marketing your products, you will get incentive for digital transactions. So everything is included under this PM Vishwakrma. The detailed presentation, because will be given in Khasi language by GMDIC, DCIC, because that will be more understandable for all of you.